your chance to be rude.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a 10.
This thing's a lot of fun on 3S. Gotta thank Filthy Co for telling me it could run 3S. I didn't think they could out of the box, but they definitely can. Ooh, right into the rock. Well, let's get the wheels swapped over and see what we can do. Now, if that's not gangster, I simply don't know what is. So I'm not sure what to expect out of this, but our pumpkin's only got about a ½ inch of clearance off the ground, front and rear. Let's see what it does. Still running 3S. I tell you one thing, it's way less tippy than it was. That's full blast. Oh, no, we're not stuck. Wow, I'm surprised it goes that good. In these rocks right here. Let's see if we can jump it. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, I'm in the water. Let's get full speed and try to jump it. Ooh! It's nosed into the bumper. This is hilarious. You can hear the motor just winding out. We got to try it on the cement. This thing gets crazy grip on this cement right here. It's so weird to drive. See if I can climb up this a little bit. Oh yeah. Whoa. My shop's got a quad and a bunch of stuff in the way, or else I'd be in there right now on the cement, but okay. This is just goofery. Thanks for watching this episode of Wheel Swap Wednesday, guys. Check back next Wednesday for the next video, and we'll see what kind of goofy tire and wheel swap I come up with then. Thanks for watching.